DanDee Easter Bunny here with three great items that move side to side for Easter. Now, it's going to have a hard time controlling them because they move all over the place, but I'm going to try my best. Let's play them. First one is the frog.
Wow, I feel good. That I would now.
Yep, the frog singing "I Got You" for Easter. Makes sense to me.
So good.
So good.
I got you. So good. So good. I got you.
Okay, let's play the next. He's celebrating, all right. Told you he's out of control. These guys got a mind of their own. Right here, y'all. Let's do it. What a great version of the song. Whew, last one. Of course you love them, especially for Easter. These guys are going to wreck our expensive set here with our two-tone pinks because we couldn't find the pinks to match. Oh well, so long.